Due to today's inclement weather, please take extra care whilst on the station. Surfaces may be slippery.
Oh, who is without that with passionate shout keeps beating my bolted door? I am head of the hill, far spent sweat and chill, from long trotting across marsh and moor. Oh, my love fond and true, what else can I do but shield you from wind and from weather? When the shots fall like hail, they us both shall assail, and mayhap we shall die together. Through frost and through snow, tired and hunted I'll go, in fear both from friend and from neighbor. My horses run wild, and my acres untilled, and all of them lost to my neighbor. But it grieves me far more than the loss of my store, that no one should shield me from danger. So my fate now must be to cross eastward or sea, and to languish amid the stranger. Oh, who is without that with passionate shout keeps beating my bolted door? I am dead of the hill, far spent wet and chill, from long trudging across marsh and moor. Oh, my love fond and true, what else could I do but shield you from wind and from weather? When the shots fall like hail, they us both shall assail, and mayhap we shall die together. When the shots fall like hail, they us both shall assail, and mayhap we shall die together.